Well, good morning. Well, actually, evening. Uh, William from Williams, Philippines. It's about 11 o'clock on Monday night, and I didn't get this done last night here with the job, so I'm trying to get it in right quick before the end of the day. It'll be a short, sweet one here. Uh, it is what it is, and well, apparently this computer's just a little bit wide for putting up here at an angle like this. Anyway, yeah, they still haven't got back in touch with me about swapping this out with the one with 16 gig and a 512 hard drive. Have not heard a word from them. So I'm going to use it a little and hopefully hear something this week. I don't know. Anyway, sorry. Hearing aids tickling. Yeah, it is what it is. Some days the little string that's off the end of it, that comes off the end of the earpiece that wraps around inside there. Yeah, sometimes that thing just tickles. It is what it is. It's okay though. Anyway, boy, seems a couple of vloggers over there in the Philippines broke up. I think that's like the second couple this year. Uh, I don't know. Uh, Foreigners and not Filipinos breaking up, so I don't know. It is what it is. Anyway, yeah, we always get to make our choices. Sadly, I think the westernized women just do not have commitment. And they sure don't use discernment to judge whether they should be in a relationship or not. Too much of it, I think, is just, oh, I feel it. Yeah, well, yeah. And then they cry because they get their feelies hurt. Can't stand it. Well, that's part of it. Women don't have commitment anymore. Yeah. Don't get me wrong, I ain't gonna say that Western guys are that great either. They've got some problems too. Uh, but a lot of it boils back down to the fact that you know there's too many females out there that are willing to just jump in bed and not make any commitment. Turn down the ones that are willing to be committed and go with the ones that ain't. Bad choices. So, yeah. Where does all that end? I don't know. Don't get me wrong, I'm divorced. I should have paid better attention before trying to get into what I got into. And I understand, you know, it's a mess. I'm glad mine's 40 years in the past and done with. But, yeah, pretty much left a mess. And I know I had my part in it too, so I don't want to say I ain't blaming just the women. But a large part of it is the women. And making choices, you know, that aren't based in reality. And feelies are not based in reality. I mean, I get up and come to work every day. Not because I feel good and want to, but because I need to. So I do what I need to do to keep the three-ring circus going so that, yeah, I can get to where I need to be to have a better life. Now, don't get me wrong. I don't have the greatest life. I'm not rich. Not by any means. You know, uh, the good part of it is, though, you know, by making the choices to take and do what you have to do and following through with commitment on it, things get better. I'm a year from retiring. Don't get me wrong, but like I said, some days I really don't feel like getting up and coming here. But I do every day. Because, well, if you don't take care of the needs, you're in trouble. Anyway.
Evening.
Evening.
Got Uber here.
Well, yay Uber. Have a good night. One of my guests just came by. I didn't even hear the Uber pull up. I was talking. Hard to listen when you got your mouth running. Hey, God gave us two of them for a reason. We're supposed to listen twice as much as we speak. Yeah. It is what it is. Yeah. I don't know. You know, the old sayings, you can't let yesterday eat up too much of today, and you can't let worry about tomorrow, eat up today, because tomorrow isn't here and it isn't guaranteed. And all you can do is take and learn from what you had yesterday and build on it yesterday and today to try to make tomorrow better. And, well, it does work. If you put your will into it and follow through with your commitments to get up and go every day, even if you don't want to, well, life gets better. It doesn't become easier. I'm sure not going to say life's easy. It's not. Too many people out there would probably throw rocks at me if I said life was easy. But you do get to make the choice. Oh, even on days that it's rough and hurts. Anyway, y'all have a good day and blessings.
Have a good evening.
Thank you, sir. Yeah, y'all have a good day and blessings. And remember, everything is a choice. All consequences come from the choices you make. If you don't make good choices, you end up with, bad consequences. And hey, even the good choices can have bad consequences. So yeah, you got to take and be real careful when you're making choices. Decisions are yours to make. God's greatest gift, choice. The nightmare is the consequence that comes with it. So, yeah, it is what it is. Anyway, I hope folks are having a beautiful day. Magong dong gabi. Good night, or was that good morning? I forget. Anyway, beautiful day, beautiful night, whatever. I'm out of here. This is William from Williams, Philippines. Fish. Hey, fish is out.